In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to point your domain to Siteground hosting. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the server information you need, name servers, and IP address, so you can connect your domain confidently. Start by opening your browser and heading to the My Siteground homepage. Sign into your account so you land on the main dashboard. From there, look for the website section and click it. This is where all of your hosted sites are listed, and it's the hub for the settings we need. Find the website you want to connect to your domain. Open its details view so you can see the controls specific to that site. On the site's card, look for the small three-dot icon, often called the Actions menu, and click it. This expands a short list of options tied to that particular site. Choose Server Details from that menu. You'll now see a panel with several key pieces of information. First up is the data center location. This tells you which region your site is hosted in. While you don't use this to point your domain directly, it's useful to confirm your site is in a region close to your audience for better performance. Next, note the server IP address. This is critical if you plan to point your domain using an A record at your domain provider. Copy the IPv4 address exactly as shown. Keep it handy and avoid adding spaces or extra characters when you paste it later. If you ever see both IPv4 and IPv6, most registrars expect the IPv4 for an A record unless they explicitly support DOA records. You'll also see your name servers listed here. These are the quickest way to point a domain to Siteground because they hand off DNS management to Siteground entirely. You'll usually have at least 2 name servers. Copy each one exactly, including any dots and numbers, and keep them together. They may be unique to your account or server, so always use the ones shown for your site rather than generic examples. Once you've gathered the name servers or the IP address from server details, you're ready to apply the change at your domain registrar. Choose one method, either update the name servers to the ones provided here, or update your DNS-A record to the IP you copied. After saving the change, allow time for DNS propagation. It can be quick, but in some cases it may take up to 24-48 hours to reach everyone worldwide. That's it. You now know exactly where to find the data center, IP, and name servers inside My Siteground, so you can point your domain with confidence.